Hello, my name is Rachel and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So in today's video, I wanted to talk to you about Monzo. So I have been a customer of Monzo for a while. I also invested in Monzo actually, in their crowdfunding back in 2018 actually. And I was recently reading the Investors Chronicle and it had an article about Monzo. So I thought, oh, what are they doing now? What new offerings have they got? And it looks like potentially they might be moving into the investing / kind of wealth management sphere. And the reason that Investors Chronicle think that this might be happening is because Monzo have posted a job advert on their website for General Manager Investments. So if you don't already know, Monzo is a UK-based online bank here, so it kind of falls into the fintech sphere here in the UK. And as I said, they've just released this new job. So let me just give you a little bit of information. So it says that the job will entail leading the vision, strategy and execution of the investment and wealth product at Monzo from the ground up. So it sounds like they're obviously starting from the ground up. This is going to be something very new and they will be working on it in the coming weeks, months, who knows. So that is the only real information there is at the moment on what kind of platform, what kind of app they might be creating around investing, but I think it's really exciting. So I use Monzo at the moment, as I said, and I budget using Monzo. So what I do is I put money onto my Monzo card and then I spend that money and then you get a really nice breakdown of everything you've spent that month and it already automatically puts it into different categories. So for example, this really helped me to see that I was spending far too much money on groceries, so it groups them all together. It knows already that Tesco's is a grocery shop, Lidl is one, Waitrose is one, and it groups any of those payments together into one, so you can see exactly how much you're spending on groceries, how much you're spending on entertainment, all of those different things, and it really helped me get a hold on my budget. And that is so important, because having a hold on your budget helps you to invest, obviously, because it meant that I was able to get everything under control and have spare money to invest, which is really exciting. Anyway, let's get back onto their potential investing app. So you might know, if you've been investing already, that there are investing apps like Freetrade and also like Trading 2 and 2 available here in the UK. And it will be really exciting if Monzo does offer something similar to those or potentially better than them. I personally find the Monzo app at the moment very easy to use. It's really slick, really user-friendly. I've had absolutely no glitches when I've been using it, and their customer service has been phenomenal as well, which has been really good. I've been so impressed. So I'm hoping that if they are moving into the investing sphere, then whatever they produce will hopefully be as good as the product that I'm currently using. Also, it's a really exciting time to be moving into this investing sphere. Obviously, AJ Bell have also announced back in 2021 that they will be launching an app for investing and trading, which is going to be called Dodl. So I think their tagline is something like, investing can be a Dodl, or something like that. That's wrong. I'll check what it is, hold on. Yes, I totally butchered it. They say AJ Bell to make investing a Dodl with the launch of an easy-to-use, commission-free mobile app. So that is what AJ Bell are doing, and obviously AJ Bell are already a really well-established DIY investment platform. So it'll be interesting to see what they've got to offer, and then potentially what Monzo has to offer as well. As I said, I'm a real fan of Monzo. I actually invested a small amount of money into Monzo back in December 2018 when they did a crowdfunding thing. That investment, I recently got an email to say that investment and the share price has doubled since then, which obviously I'm really pleased with. But as I said, I was really impressed with the service that Monzo was offering, which is why I wanted to invest in them. I think often, as well as looking at financials of companies and that kind of thing, it can be really important to consider whether you've personally had a really good customer experience with a company or not. And for me, Monzo was one of those companies that I thought, this is really good for me personally. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing what they potentially have to offer. Obviously, I don't work for Monzo. I'm not affiliated to Monzo in any way whatsoever. Obviously, I've got these very small amount of shares which I bought with my own personal money, but I don't have any insider information beyond this job description, which they've recently launched, which I will actually pop down in the description box in case you want to see it in a bit more detail, or in case you're looking for a new job, then you know, might be worth taking a look at. Let me know if you have any questions about Monzo in the comments down below. As I said, I only really use it for budgeting at the moment. I think I'll also probably give AJ Bell's Dodl a go as well when they launch, potentially, to see how that is, because I think that any additional competition within the investing app sphere can only be a good thing. So as I said, I already use Freetrade and Trading 212, and I think that having more and more apps in this sphere will only make it more accessible to more people to start investing. Also, I think that when there's more options available to you, the companies have to then work harder to produce something that is really slick and really good. So that's a real positive as well. I'm looking forward to seeing if Monzo can potentially produce an investing platform that is as slick as their current app. I'm sure they can. But yeah, I thought this was quite interesting. Anyway, let me know if it has been interesting or if you'd prefer me to go back to my normal kind of investing content. Please do pop a comment down below and let me know if you have any ideas for new videos, because I absolutely love making videos that you actually want to watch, hopefully, fingers crossed anyway. So thank you so much for your time today and have a really lovely day. Bye bye.